Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Well, this just happened. Dogecoin is not doing too well. Let me share my screen right now. Dogecoin is currently sitting at $19, 19 cents. And we just saw this huge drop. Today is April 22nd and it is around 11:30 p.m. So this huge drop just happened. Today we were actually at 27. This week it was at 42, above 40 cents. Then we got down to 30 cents. Now it's below 30 cents for today, at least for this morning. And now it suddenly dropped within the past couple hours, and now it's at 19 cents. It was actually at a low of 17 cents. So is this over for Dogecoin? This seems like a very similar setup to GameStop, which we saw a couple of weeks ago, where GameStop had this massive short squeeze to get rid of those hedge fund, those big guys, big institution players, and a lot of investors like us, young investors, retail investors, getting their stimulus check, putting their money into Dogecoin, pumping it up, pumping Dogecoin 420 on 420 Doge Day that they tried to promote. 420 didn't go too well. Now it's at 19 cents. And once again, if you bought at the very high at 46 cents, you had that happen like for GameStop, AMC, all those meme stock, you might be unlucky this time. It's going to take a lot to get this rally back up to 46 cents. And who knows, maybe it'll follow the same trajectory as GameStop. GameStop had a huge downtrend and then suddenly it surged 100% a couple weeks later after the high of almost $400. So Dogecoin not looking too well. Now it's at 20 cents. So it gained 1 cent right now. Again, this is a very risky investment, cryptocurrency. We have a lot going on with, Biden getting a proposed increase of the tax rate, the infrastructure plan, inflation that keeps going up, more taxes on cryptocurrency. That's why Coinbase is down, Bitcoin is down for the overall cryptocurrency market. So I think it's the end for Dogecoin. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is just a random YouTuber, random guy expressing his opinion. Truly, I think it's going to take a lot to get this squeeze back up to its all-time high for Dogecoin at 46 cents. And if we do get to that all-time high, the market cap would be bigger than that of Ford and a lot of big blue chip companies. So do I think it might happen? Maybe. It could happen. And it could take some miracle. And as we've seen from the last couple of weeks, stocks are not acting as they should, as rational as they should, because now people are getting more hands onto getting Robinhood, Webull, young investors getting stimulus checks and investing money, so they all put it in the market. They make money 100, 200, 300%, 400%. They see, oh, I have this much money. This could change my life. Let me sell. And then this domino effect keeps going on. They sell, sell, sell. It looks like actually Dogecoin is coming back up. It's almost getting to 21 cents. But as far as I know, this is pretty ugly looking. We're having a little push the last 5 minutes. So it could go up even more, but it has dropped more than 50% than its all-time high. So this is just a little update videos for you guys. Did I get out? Yes, I still have some though. There's some pretty good more opportunities out there, which I will discuss in the next video. The stock that I'll be buying and what my thoughts are for the stock market at the current state. There's a huge amounts of buying opportunities, so I'll get into that for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have Dogecoin. Are you hodling? Did you sell? Did you take a profit? Where did you get from? And as people watching my channel know that I got Dogecoin since February. I bought around the 4 or 5 cents, 6 cents area, and now it's at 20 cents. So it's good profit for me. I've been playing it, trading it at that time as well, and then held some of it. And this might be over for Dogecoin, but I still have some. So this is a quick video that I wanted to share. The Thursday night, April 22nd, Dogecoin is dropping huge, and this is your call to take whatever action that you want. Whether you want to hodl and keep it for 5-10 years and see if it reaches the $1 mark, go for it. If you have life-changing money that you just made from buying Dogecoin at 5 to 6 cents, and then now you're seeing it at 20 cents, and you did see it at 46 cents, I would sell. It'll change your life. That's my take. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.